Hey guys, welcome to Fun Cooking. Today we're doing another 30 days of Thanksgiving along with everyone else that's participating. In the description box I have left links to their channels, so go check them out. Give them a like and a subscribe if you want. Tell them I sent you. But today we are going to make baked beans. It may not be a traditional item on your Thanksgiving table, but it seems like it was always on mine. And that's probably because it was an inexpensive item. My mom would always invite several people over, and she didn't always have the biggest budget, so this was a way to put more food out there. Don't worry, you don't have to take up any oven space. We're going to make these in the slow cooker. Therefore, you can start them early on, put them in the pot, let them go while you do everything else. So I hope you'll stick around and watch how I make these. Okay guys, so the ingredients we are going to be using today: 2 cans of pork and beans, 1 small onion diced finely, ketchup, mustard, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne, chopped garlic, dark brown sugar, some chopped bacon that's been pre-cooked, and some maple syrup. And this is the easiest recipe you are going to do your entire Thanksgiving feast. We're going to add our beans to our slow cooker. Make sure you get all of that juice. We're going to sprinkle in our onions. Make sure we get all of them. Let's go ahead and throw in our garlic, our salt, pepper, and cayenne, our bacon bits. And I did leave a little bit of the grease from the bacon in there because that will help distribute the bacon flavor. We'll add in our maple syrup, our ketchup, and our mustard. And lastly, our brown sugar. Then we're just going to give this a little stir. You want to make sure the sugar gets well incorporated so it has time to break down and melt. As you can see, it's quite soupy, but hours of slow cooking will take care of that. Now when I put my lid on, I'm not going to put it on straight. I want to leave it slightly ajar so the steam can escape, so the liquid can evaporate. And I'm going to cook this on low for a minimum of 8 hours. And I'm going to come back and stir it every couple hours or so, make sure everything's getting mixed in well together. At the end of 8 hours, we'll check to make sure it's thickened enough, and then we can keep it on warm until we're ready to serve it. So I guess I'll see you guys in 8 hours. Okay guys, so our beans are definitely done. They've been cooking a little bit longer than I anticipated, but they've been going for about 12 hours. As a result, they're a little darker on camera than they are in real life. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit in a bowl. As you can see, the sauce is nice and thick. They smell really good. Slightly sweet with a hint of maple. You really can't pick out the garlic. And the bacon pieces dissolves in your mouth. So if you need another side for your Thanksgiving dinner, you don't know what to cook, consider baked beans in the slow cooker because it frees up oven space. And remember to check out the other channels, which there are 5 participating. Their links are in the description. And we'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care. So I shat.